Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol INO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a rough day for this one. I mean, things started off so very nicely, and then after that, basically just a slow bleed the rest of the day, punctuated by the last 30 minutes, increase in volume, and then just that much more selling with the red candle there. So definitely an interesting setup here moving forward, and the level that a lot of people are going to be watching. So this is not some sort of great discovery on my part, but it's just going to be down here around this level of $20.25, which has now been solidified as a very important technical point. I mean, you go back here and you look on Monday, several times the price bounced right off that area, and then you jump to today, and once again this morning, that's right where the price bounced off of today. So I don't want to come across like this is a guarantee, because there's no such thing as a guarantee. My point here is that it's a more than valid and rational thought to have, that if this bleeding continues, gets down to 2025, and then the price breaks below there, that could very well create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. Again, not a guarantee, but a rational thought to have, because that has, like I said, now officially become a very well-known, a very monitored area. And when a lot of people are watching the same areas and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can certainly produce dynamic movements, and that's, again, what 2025 is representing. And then on the flip side of things, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, two main levels. You still have the overarching level right here at 23. But now I'm also curious about this area, and if there's going to be some sort of downtrend that is now formed in terms of this trend line right there. So in fact, why don't we do this just to make it a little bit easier to see. So there we go. So we have this trend line of resistance here. If the price can break up above there, then yeah, at that point, $23 would be the next key level. But like I said, I'm pretty curious to wondering, is this the start of kind of representing a bigger bleed to the downside that's about to occur? We'll see what happens with it, but these are going to be the main technical levels that I'm watching going forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.